Hello there, welcome back. In this video we're going to do some stuff that's going to jazz up the customer back end, okay? So if we log in as a customer, I'm using Rambo and Rambo Pass, right? This is what happens. And that's kind of nice, but I actually think that we can do a lot better than that. So here's what I'd like you to do. I would like you to open up your templates controller and go to the public bootstrap method, right? And then we're going to go this load module site security, and then we're going to say data customer ID equals this site security, and that would be, just so we know what's happening, it would be this get user ID thing. Okay, so there we go, right? And the vibe is this loads up public bootstrap. So let's load up public. I almost typed in public bootstrap. That's another website altogether, folks. That's a different tutorial. Anyway, if we go to this public bootstrap thing, it now has a customer ID. Now that customer ID is either going to be, it's either going to be a 0 or it's going to be empty. I can't remember how I made the thing, but who actually cares, okay? So what we can now do is we can jump in here where the content starts, and we can say if customer ID is greater than 0. Now this means that the customer is logged in. So I'm just going to say echo, am I going to say echo? No, I'm not. I'm not going to say echo. I'm going to say include customer panel top .php. Okay. So if we now go into the templates folder, I am so making this up as I go along here. Okay, so I'm going to make up a file called customer panel top.php. And the vibe is that if someone is logged in, let's log in, Rambo Pass. Oh geez, I messed that up. Rambo Pass. Okay, so do you see how it says customer panel top here? And it also says it here, and it says it here, it says it everywhere. Well, we can do some cool stuff here. So if I go onto the Bootstrap website and I go to this CSS thing at the top and then click on navbar, right? So we're looking for navbar. CSS. Do you know what it is? I'm on the wrong option. It's components. Sorry. Oh gee, I'm so sorry. It's components. Click on components. Hello. Yes, hello. Components. Navs, right? Now the vibe is there's a thing called tabs here. Do you see this? And I have to say, I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to copy this tabs thing. And on customer panel top, I'm going to chuck that in. But I'm going to do a bit of styling. I'll say margin top 24 pixels because I don't want it right at the top of the page. And I'm going to have the options saying your messages, and then we'll have your orders, and then we'll have update your profile. So if we save that and then we refresh, you'll see that when the customer is logged in, we've now got this really cool kind of secondary admin thing, which I think is rather cool. Don't you think it's rather cool? Yes, I think it's pretty cool as well. So check this out. This is the coolest thing in the universe. When somebody logs in, okay, and they've now logged in like that, they've got this welcome to the private part of the site stuff, yeah, okay, but actually we can do a whole lot better because we can go into your account's welcome, and instead of just this miserable welcome, in fact, I just thought of something. Hang on a second. Hang on 1 second. We can, let's add log out as well. Why not? I've just thought of that. Okay, so let's add that in. I'll maybe take this out later on. I'm not entirely sure if this is where I want the log out thing to go, you know. But we'll do that. I can never remember if it's sign in or log out. Anyway, something like that. Okay, save. Let's have a look. Okay, logging out here. That is not too bad. So check this. When someone logs in, instead of giving them this rubbish welcome to the private part of the site, this message thing, why don't we go echo modules run, and then we'll say inquiries, let me see, / draw customer inbox. Now remember, we do have a customer ID still. I'm going to just prove that, right? If I go echo customer ID die, right, look, do you see it says 1, so the thing can remember the customer ID. So why don't we say draw customer inbox, and we'll pass in the customer ID. So now we can jump on to inquiries like so. We can get rid of these test things, we don't need those. I'm going to say function draw customer inbox. It takes a customer ID, okay? Now this is going to be remarkably, do you hear me? It's going to be remarkably similar to the inbox that the admin had. Do you remember all of this stuff, okay? It's going to be pretty similar. Of course, we don't need to load up a full template and all of that stuff. We do not need to do that, okay? So I'll just take, I think I'll just take this stuff here and we'll paste in like that. I don't even know if I'll need the flash thing, but I'm just going to say this load view, and it's going to say customer inbox, and I'm passing in a data variable, okay? Let's pass in the customer ID. It does not do any harm. I don't even know if we'll need it, but that's okay. And where we've got fetch inquiries, I'm going to say fetch customer inquiries. I don't mind passing in a folder type. I don't know if we'll even use it, but I definitely want to pass in the customer ID, okay? So fetch customer inquiries. What on earth does this do? Well, it's going to be very similar to fetch inquiries. Look, there's fetch inquiries in all its glory. So I'm just going to copy the stuff from fetch inquiries, and where we've got this sent to thing here, I'm going to say where sent to is customer ID. Okay, so the query is cool, the folder is cool, flash message, customer inbox. If we now open up the inquiries module, views, I'm going to make a new file called customer inbox.php. Going to save it, and if we now refresh the screen here, you'll see that it's drawing the customer inbox. Not too bad. That's not too bad. Now in the next video we'll make the inbox look nice, but I don't want to do too much in this video, so thank you very much indeed. This is good. This was a good one. I'm happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.